Hey guys, what's up? It's Queenie here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. As you can see from the title, today is going to be a makeup tutorial slash get ready with me. I'm just going to the mall, but for that I'm going to take some Instagram pictures. So I'm just going to show you guys how I do my makeup for Instagram. And you're probably thinking, what's the difference? And the only difference is the fact that I'm doing my makeup to take pictures. I'm not just doing my makeup to go out. So when you're taking pictures, you have to do your makeup a certain way so it turns out better in the photo, whereas in real life you could probably get away with a lot more simple things. Sometimes you might do your makeup and you might take pictures and think, okay, well, I don't look the same in the picture, but that's probably because you didn't do your makeup for pictures. So I specifically do certain things to make sure that everything is captured in the picture and all that. So my face is bare, it's already moisturized. I have a few blemishes going on. Oh, I'm still trying to clear some stuff up. But overall, there's no bumps right now. There's one going down, but hey, I can't complain. I've come a long way. So the first thing I'm gonna do is my eyebrows, and I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the color Ebony. And yeah, I'm basically just gonna fill in my brows. Nothing serious. Okay, so I'm just going to brush out my eyebrows using a spoolie. I'm not doing anything special here. With my eyebrows, when it comes to pictures, I like to make them a little bit more defined. And basically everything that I'm doing today is just going to be a bit more amplified than usual, than what I would do in my everyday life. Because, like I said, with lighting and everything, you want your makeup to still be picked up. Now I'm going in with the MAC Prolongwear Concealer in the color NW45. And I just have some on the back of my hand here. So, and I'm going to match this with the other side. Okay, so this is what we're working with so far, and then now I'm just going to blend it out with my beauty blender. So my eyebrows are never perfect, honestly. I cannot stand that, but it's just how they're shaped. I don't know what to do about it. I'm just gonna leave it there and move on. I'll probably touch them up later. Anyways, so now I'm going to go in with my foundation. I'm going in with the Ordinary foundation in the color 3.2R, and this is like my perfect shade in foundation. And I don't know why I purchased anything else. I think sometimes I just feel like being bougie, but at the end of the day, nothing matches me like this. This is my ultimate favorite. It's not too red, not too golden. Like, I feel like it's perfect. So as you can see, I put on quite a bit because we need full coverage. Okay, so for the most part, my face is fully covered. I know it looks very crazy, very extra, but it will be toned down. I want to give my face some time to settle and have this sit into my skin, even though I look like an Oompa Loompa right now. Don't even worry. But personally, I do prefer a bit of a dewy look to my makeup, so I don't like my makeup to be too matte anyways, but I'm going to leave it like this and let it settle and give it time to really oxidize and do its thing. But let's just leave it like this. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back in with my concealer, and we're really gonna conceal and I guess highlight and conceal. So I'm going in with my under eyes. I'm using the same concealer, which is the MAC Prolongwear Concealer in NW45. And as you can see, it is pretty bright, but I'm using such a bright concealer because I'm gonna be taking photos and I need it to pop, you know? Alright, so this is all the concealer that I'm putting on my face for now. And I'm going to go in with my beauty blender again and just blend it out lightly. So it's looking smooth, it's looking flawless. And as you can see, while I'm blending, it's not so harsh. And it looks really smooth and flawless. It doesn't look too dramatic, but you can see the highlight around my face. Okay, so far so good. Now I'm just gonna go underneath my eyes and set with some powder, and I'm using my black opal setting powder in the color Neutral Light. That's what I always use. So I'm just gonna go in and dab that underneath lightly and just tap it in until it's gone. I'm not gonna do any serious baking. Okay, so now I'm gonna contour my nose a little bit, and I'm using this small brush right here. It is pretty contoured because I highlighted, but I'm just gonna do a little bit more with my NARS foundation in the color Cartoon, which is close to my skin tone, but like beside my concealer, it looks a bit darker. So I'm just gonna go in right here, just like that. And then the same thing on the other side, just to really snatch it up. I'm gonna bring it into my brow bone area, just like that, to create a bit more dimension in my face. So now I'm going in with a new product, and that's the FENTY bronzer. I love this stuff so much. So this is my first ever bronzer, because bronzer never made sense to me if you have dark tones, dark skin tone I mean. So this is the color Mocha MAMI, and I believe it's the darkest shade, and it works perfectly for me, but I feel like if you are a bit darker, then it would be difficult for this to really pop on your skin. It gives a nice warmth. Ooh, yes. Exactly what you would expect a bronzer to do, and I've never experienced that, so this is amazing. Okay. And it's also helping contour my face at the same time because it's bringing in that shape, you know? So you guys can already see that warmth it's bringing. It is so beautiful, man. Wow, it's amazing. So now I don't even wear blush because of this, because I like the way it shapes my face and gives me that warmth and that contour and everything that I need. So just add a little bit to the edge of my nose, just like that, and we're good to go. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with some bottom mascara. So for my bottom lashes, obviously, I like to do this because it gives me some more drama to my eyes and makes it look like they're more open. And I will be adding lashes, so kind of evens things out. Okay, so I'm putting on these lashes. Honestly, I don't even know where these are from. I just have a bunch of lashes and I just pick out of them and I put one on. So I'm not sure exactly where this is from, but they're pretty simple. Now that I have my lashes sitting there with glue on them, I'm just gonna go in with my MAC Studio Fix powder in the color NW50, and I'm just going to powder parts of my face, like around my mouth, and just kind of set that makeup, and right here as well. That's basically it. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my lashes, and I'm gonna do one on camera, one off camera. So obviously there's glue everywhere, but we're gonna let that dry and then clean it up afterwards. But in the meantime, I'm going to work on my lips, my famous lip combo. You don't want to miss this one. So I'm going in with my MAC Chestnut lipstick and obviously just lining my lips. And then I'm going in with my MAC lipstick in the color Try Again. This is the AALIYAH collection, but if they don't have this anymore, so you can actually get the MAC lipstick in the color Feeling Myself, which is the closest to this I have found. And then I'm going in with the clear gloss on top to make it all come together. Okay, so that is it for my lips, and then now I'm going to go in with my powder again, and I'm going to use the sponge on the bottom compartment of my MAC powder. I'm just going to dab around my mouth, clean things up. Okay, I don't know about my eyebrows today, but we're just going to leave it alone. Looks like my lashes have basically dried, Okay, so now I'm going in with my Fenty highlight in the color Hustler Baby, and I'm gonna use this to highlight my cheeks, obviously. Oh, jeez. Ah, it's a little bit much, but it's okay because you know. This is basically the full look. I'm just gonna zoom out and we're gonna spritz the face. Okay, so now I'm going in with the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray because, like I said, I like a little dew. Ooh, that highlight. Alright, so this is the final look. I will do a little slow-mo for you guys so you can see the full thing all tied in together. So here we go. Alright, so that is basically it for this look. It was pretty simple if you ask me. I don't do too much, but I kind of just am a little bit more dramatic with my makeup when I'm taking pictures because you know you can't miss that highlight. And you can't miss these lips, you can't miss these eyes with the lashes. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and it gave you some inspo to have some pretty dramatic but simple, natural makeup at the same time. I feel like that's what this is. Correct me if I'm wrong, I don't know. Maybe I'm just used to wearing this much at this point. So I hope it was easy to follow for you guys. Make sure you thumbs up this video, comment down below, let me know if you want to see any more makeup or skincare videos, and I will definitely do that because I definitely enjoy it. And sometimes gotta leave the hair alone, you know. So thank you guys again. I will see you in the next one. Make sure you follow me on Instagram so you can see these pictures and you know we can interact there because it's just so much easier. It's more fun. Thumbs up this video, comment down below, make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.